Hello guys, it's Mokobeye. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to get a Tempmail mail. Let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to your browser and search for Tempmail mail. Once you're there, we are going to choose the first one. So guys, once you get here, you can get this site on your Android phone and on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to get it on your Android phone, you simply click on this. It is going to take you to your Google Play, or if you want to get it on Apple Store, you simply click on that. It is going to take you to your Apple Store. So guys, this is your Temporay mail address, so we are going to copy it and we are going to test it. So after that, I'm going to go to my real email address and I'm going to send a mail to that temporal email address. Okay. After that, I'll click on what send. So message send. So I'm going to verify on that temporal email. Sorry. So guys, this is it. So we can open the mail. So guys, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.